eastern New York,
Why'd you not go off?
northwestern Fulton County in eastern New York, central Herkimer County in eastern New York, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from McKeever to Remsen to near Westmoreland, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Farrell Corner, Countryman, White House, Shed Corners, Old City,
This came out of
Fowley
nowhere.
Place, Bleecker Center, Atwell, Lake Pleasant, West Canada Lakes, Vendara, Avery's Place, Dilgetto, Wood Corners, Emmonsburg, Paper Mill Corners, Willard, Moffett Beach Campground, Upper Benson, and Ives Hollow. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York: Fulton, Hamilton, and Herkimer.
Go SVA!
Severe thunderstorm watch number 191 remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and now includes the following counties in New York: Fulton, Saratoga, and Warren. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather,
Can't even cook
including
food.
large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hamilton County in eastern New York, Warren County in east central New York, northern Fulton County in eastern New York, northwestern Saratoga County in east central New York, east central Herkimer County in eastern New York, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Louis Lake Campground to near Lake Pleasant to Stratford, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gerard's Sugarbush, Swedes Crossing, Webertown, Eagle Point Campground, White House, Conklingville, North River, Town, Riverbank, Burns Corners, Garnet Lake, Thurman, Fox Hill, Powley Place, Hope Falls, Bleecker Center, Day Center, Lake Pleasant, Benson, and West Canada Lakes. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York: Fulton, Hamilton, Herkimer, Saratoga, and Warren.